video we are going to learn how the thermal power plant working. Let me see the animation. Later I will explain you how it will work. So see here the fuel is coal. The coal is dropping down here. Okay, the coal is dropping down here. This is the boiler. It produces the heat energy while burning this coal. So this is a pump. It sucks the water from the river or borewell, and the water is sent back to this boiler through the tubes. So when the water is entering here, what happens? The heat energy convert the water into the powerful steam. So here steam is generated. Once the steam is generated, it starts to moving in this direction. See, let me see. So the high pressurized stream are coming enter into this channel consists of turbine. What happens to this turbine means it starts to rotate when the high pressure steam hits on its blade. Okay. So when the turbine starts to rotate, it's coupled with the generator. The generator also starts to rotating. Okay. So when the generator started rotating, it produced an electricity. So after that, using the transformer and transmission lines, we are send back the electricity to our homes. Just recap of the thermal power plant. See, this is the fuel source. Coal is sent back through this line. The coal is pulverized. Pulverized means the coal is powdered into fine pieces. That pieces are sent into the boiler. Okay, here the water as the fuel. This water is pumped through the pump and it's sent back to these tubes. So when heated the boiler, the water is converted into the steam. That steam enter into this turbine, and this turbine coupled with the generator produce an electricity. That electricity voltage is stepped up by this transformer and it sent it through the transmission lines. Okay, this is the working of an thermal power plant. Thank you. Next one, hydro power plant. How the hydro power plant work? Let me see. See, this is the dam, and we have the floodgate here, and this is the penstock through which the water can enter, and this is the turbine blade, and this is the generator coupled with it. Okay. So what happens during this in this hydro power plant is the water is stored in this reservoir. After that, here the floodgate is present. If I open the gate, what happens? The high pressurized water enter into the penstock and it will hit the turbine. So when hit the turbine starts to rotate. It is coupled with the same generator like a thermal power plant. Once the generator start rotating, it automatically produces an electricity. That electricity is stepped up by the transformer and it can be sent back to our homes. Okay, so what are the advantages of this power plant? This is renewable source. If one time we constructed, means we don't need to input any fuel as like a coal in thermal power plant. So what are the drawbacks here? Means to construct the dam, it's a very difficult process. It takes a long time and it destroys a lot of trees present in the particular region. Mostly these types of dams can be constructed easily at the mountain areas. When two mountains are present in between, if you construct a one wall, it will be very easy. How means, if we have one mountain like this and another one like this, means if we constructed a wall in between, the dam constructions are very simple. Mostly this type of geographical locations can be chosen for the dam. Okay, let me see the animation part. So the water have the potential energy at the top level. If the floodgate is open, the potential energy of the water is converted into the kinetic energy. That kinetic energy of the water rotates the turbine. So the kinetic energy is converted into the mechanical energy. That mechanical energy of the turbine is coupled with the generator, converted into the electrical energy. Okay.